Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate astrology theme on Facebook Messenger. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the messenger. Click on that, click on messenger, and you need to update your messenger application first. As you can see, my messenger is up to date. Then you need to go back and open Facebook Messenger application. Then you need to select any random conversation. So I'm going to select this one, and then you need to click on this icon on the top right. From here you need to click on theme, and from here you need to find the astrology theme. You need to scroll down. Here you can see astrology. You simply need to click on that and click on select again. So now you can see that astrology theme is activated. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.